Good morning, everyone. Guess I'm with. Yep. When am I not with this girl? Okay, see us. Guess where we're going. Yep. Going on our adventure. I guess you guys gotta see where we go. I'll see you guys in about 40 minutes, okay? 40 minutes, I'll be back. We're at the airport. It's 8:16. We board in like 15 minutes.
You would think they would board the back end.
Yeah. So excited to get out of here, but it's supposed to rain the whole time where we're going, so. And there's no seats, so we're literally on the floor.
Conformity lines to the lavatories, please wait in or around your seat. Also, please no standing in the galleys. We have very limited space.
We're going to the car. So, we're renting a car. And I was surprised by Amber from it.
Yellow or red?
You to choose?
Yeah, you can pick what color. I wish we would have done that one.
The 4-door probably.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a Jeep. The roof and sides come off. Wow.
I wish we would have gotten that gray one.
I know.
We would have been 2 seconds faster. We could have. Oh, it smells like new.
So we got a rental car. It's a Jeep. I was surprised. Kind of hard to tell. I'm at the airport.
Did you have an idea that it was? Oh my god.
What did we do? We're stuck in Orlando traffic. We're trying to head to the Airbnb since they're gonna let us check in early. So we have about 35 minutes, and this Jeep is amazing. We can't wait till we park to really see what it has to offer, you know, you feel? I'm vlogging road rage. You guys there's an accident. Oh my god, the truck just pushed the car. Hopefully my camera was probably not focused because it doesn't know how to do that, but oh my god.
Get over, you. You need to get over. Get over. No, like you need to get over. It's one lane. Like they don't understand that it's one lane. So get over. Like I'm letting you over. Go. 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 Nope. Okay. You had your chance. You need to get over. Like, what don't people understand? I don't get it. I'm gonna blow the horn. Get over. Nope, not you, white car, silver car.
She's just shoving her face.
Yeah.
2021 Jeep Wrangler.
No way.
Yeah, 2021.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, what version? So here is the Jeepy Jeep. It's very nice, like really nice. It's a 2021 Wrangler Rubicon. Like, wow, just stepping up in the real world, guys. Be proud of us. We also made it to our resort. We don't know where to go, but don't worry, y'all. We got lost once. We're at our building. She's getting the code. It's pretty nice over here, over there. Look at these. Yeah. Okay. This is our first time ever coming in. Hello. Ooh, whoa. They really did. Like, okay. I thought the balcony view was of the pool. There's a balcony.
I like that table.
And then weird couches. Here, it's all Mickey Mouse themed since oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, we're in Orlando. Or kissing me, whatever you want to call it.
I thought there was more than one bedroom in this.
It's a pull-out couch.
Oh.
Holy big bed! This is bigger than Nashville, I think. Holy cow, this is like a Florida or California king. Oh! Comfy. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's really comfy.
Oh, hey.
What's up?
Wow, this is nice. The floors are like slippy.
Like
Whoa! Coming down, we're gonna check out our pool area. There it is. So, that thing's run faster than you. Sorry y'all got busy, but we took the top off. That's all we think we can take off, so that's all we're gonna do. So cool. Oh my gosh. Love this car. Like, wow. So we just got back from Target and I got a sub baguette, cheese danishes, a big water, we split just trail mix stuff, a breakfast smoothie naked, and a cool Florida license plate magnet.
Hi.
And Amber got some disgusting stuff too, so.
No, I didn't.
We went to we went to dinner at, what's it called? Bahama Breeze? Yeah. Yep, we got shrimp. I had coconut shrimp, so good. Now we're at Ulta. She got this like plumper stuff because I guess her lips are very flat and dull.
Dude, are you gonna put it on?
It's what? My lips are plump, Chico.
They're like, it's like,
I want to see what kind of reaction you have to
I
it.
guess it burns. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Oh my god. It's like really burning. Okay, put it on your lips. Just so you can wipe
She
it
got
off.
this lip plumper. It smells like Christmas. Sorry, I didn't mean to spit, but. Smells like ow! My tongue! So I still forgot my camera. We're done with Ulta. I had to put the lip on myself. Oh yeah, I filmed that. We're gonna try to go mini putt-putting now. It's so loud. So, we're golfing. I have my mask on because we're like the only ones here. And now it's kind of just like be fun because she gave us the easiest course, so I'm just gonna hit it, but my luck it's gonna go through the hole, so. Hey!
Dude, it went right across your camera.
Come on, Amber, you're losing. Nope.
Oh, they can come back.
Tiger Woods in the field. Is that his name?
Yeah. It's raining. It's definitely raining.
Yeah, the waterfall is raining on you.
Oh!
Oh my god! She decided to, she got a lizard. That thing's run faster than you. Hey vlog, so even though we did leave a cup of eggnog out, that does not mean we should have. I don't care, but that does not mean that there should be hundreds of bugs in the cup. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we have an infestation. Holy cow. Good morning, it's day 2 and our 3-day stay is coming to an end.
Oh my god.
There is
They're
bugs.
all over in there.
Seriously?
I swear to god.
I am so looking forward to my Danish. Where? Oh my god. Ew, it's like freaking spiders. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at all of them. Look at all them, Amber.
How much were these? Like literally the thing's closed still.
$4.
That's ridiculous. I'm sending these pictures of them. Like we shouldn't be able to have, we should be able to leave a closed box of Danishes that I'm not
Sealed too, yeah.
I'm just saying, we bought a box of Danishes and they haven't even been opened yet. They're inside our food.
Good morning, y'all. Sorry to start off on that note. It's kind of upsetting. I was so looking forward to the Danishes. Like, so looking forward to them. So we're leaving now. We're not leaving the resort in full. We're taking our stuff because the cleaners are gonna come. I'm not bringing all my stuff because I don't care. I'm just bringing my computer and my camera. But we're heading to go eat food. What's new? We just ate at Waffle House for our very first time for both of us, and it was pretty good. We're at Wonderworks upside down house. We're gonna try to find our house on this Google Earth machine. And then we're gonna do the activities. I'll try to vlog, but I'll probably forget. I don't have my camera in the car. We're about to do the Hurricane Shack. We're about to feel a hurricane, I believe. 74 miles an hour. There's the fan. Yeah. The winds in this and we get you ready. Now we're on the earthquake simulator. We're gonna say no because playing on Earth, you don't know an earthquake's about to come to you. It just happened. Oh. So I'm about to put my hand in the brain freeze like Titanic thing. It's 38 degrees and it looks cold. Oh my God. We're at the bed of nails. Ready? I'm trying the bed of nails. It is so weird. It hurts. Look how big these bubbles I can make. Oh, of course. Oh, I had a big one. I went over her head. There we go. Whoa! Took a little turn from Trader Joe's and we went to Nothing Bundt Cakes. I've never even heard of it, but we saw it and she had the pull it. So. She got the confetti and I got red velvet. We're gonna each like kind of share it. We both want to try them.
I think we need some forks.
So now we're at Disney Springs, which is kind of like an outdoor mall. We really have no clue what it is. I just looked at some of the stores. I just wanted to check out like the cool Coca-Cola store, the Lego store, and the Disney store. She's putting the chop on because she's paranoid, which when is she not though? But we had French all. But I got this from Wonderworks. It's like a hollow piece of wax. It's kind of cool, kind of weird. It was only $3 for a cool little souvenir. And we went to Trader Joe's, nothing special, we didn't get nothing, so yeah, I'm just gonna vlog on my phone if there is even anything special, so see you later. We got a Coke, we're at the Coke store.
There's something wrong with that.
We're at Disney Springs, and we got this, we have the template. I think this is Beverly I'm gonna try. Got their Coke tasting, and this is the Disney Springs balloon that you could like go up 400 feet on, but it's closed, and we have a monkey instead as a show. Instead of sitting down, we're looking up at this monkey. Like, wow. I don't know what he's doing, but...
Isn't that exciting?
We're at the Cheesecake Factory. Her appetizer is these mac and cheese balls. I got this tree limeade bread. I ordered the mac and cheese burger, and she got a flatbread pizza. So yeah, pretty nice. This is both of our first time here, so pretty excited. We're driving! We ate dinner at Cheesecake. Oh, I vlogged it. Yeah, I did. Why is my camera so far to me? We've just been driving, yo. We gotta use the gas. Good morning. It's like really early. We just made our plans last night. Today we are going to the beach. Either Clearwater Beach or Cocoa Beach. We have made it to our beach. We're at the beach. It's 11:30. These nasty beach chickens keep coming out. It is 75 degrees. We're just leaving the beach. Or we're trying to. Oh. I won't focus. But we had this peanut butter and jelly trail mix and it went over her backpack. Like it opened up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What?
They're gonna start swarming us.
2 seconds later.
Oh, nuts. We went to this other beach and these kids, a bunch of these kids came and then they won't get out of the water and the mom is literally leaving. Yeah, when we're back from Clearwater, it was a 2.5 hour drive because the traffic was so bad. Amber's in the shower, I'm just kind of on a walk. Yeah, it's beautiful out and it's, I think our last night. She kind of wants to stay another night, but I'm just not really feeling it. I don't know why. I just kind of want to go home. Might as well get somebody to this place besides for the bugs. No, I forgot to tell you guys. I don't know if I said, but they did refund us $100. Well, I'll just try it. Okay. So here's the pool. I guess we have tape for social distancing at the pool. That's a really nice pool. I wonder how warm it is. Let's see. Ooh, it's okay. It's okay. We have like a weird shower thing. Oh shoot. It's a little flooded. Good thing I wasn't in my tennis shoes. Oh, there's like these cool little cabana things. Another little thing up there. A bunch of showers all around. Splash pad time. There's a splash pad. Maybe that's what I was walking in. Good morning, everyone. It is November 14th at, oh my gosh, 8:40 in the morning. We have our bags. My bag is mostly packed. Hers is all the way packed. Packed full, that is. And I almost have everything, and I just need to put it in my bag now. But I still have quite a bit of room. Kinda-ish, not really. But we're gonna try to sneak into the pool. Bye, Airbnb, I won't miss you. Our flight doesn't leave till 5:55 tonight. So we have all day to do stuff. And then get to go home late tonight. We sat by the pool, so then we drove, and then we found this helicopter place, and now we're here, and we're about to fly in a helicopter over Universal Studios, and what else was it?
I didn't remember.
made it to the airport. Don't worry, I'm facing a pole and there's literally no one near us. Like the first person's way over there. Our flight hasn't even landed yet, but it is 4:22 and